Let's play another hand. You deal.
You really want to play again?
Yes, deal. No blind. Everybody bets what they want.
We're responsible for whatever happens to him now. We don't want to stick around too much. He's bleeding a whole lot.
Your friend wants to play. Deal the cards.
We need to do this quick.
Only winners decide how long and when they play. I'll check. He does too.
Come on. You had your joke. Now let's go.
Bet. Bet.
I check.
I deal.
This isn't right.
The game is fair. He'd have done the same thing to me if he had won.
Checking again? You're the one that wanted to play.
Not the only one. You folding already. Stay in the game. You could win.
Win what? There's nothing here I want to win.
You always play to win. Keep your cards in your fucking hands.
Bet something. Anything. We need to finish this hand and get him to the hospital.
I want to see how this hand plays. Deal faster.
You're going to kill him. We're going to let him die. You know, I'm not doing this anymore.
What do you think you're doing?
Just calm down, all right? Just stay calm.
I am calm. Hoping it.
Come on. We're both reasonable men. We need to make reasonable decisions.
Open it! Look inside. That's mine now. Nobody steals from me. Sit back down. You wanted me to bet something, right? I'll go all in. You call? I'll win again.
What would you have done if he had won?
I honor what happens in the game. Always.
He's going to be maimed forever. You would have fought him if he had won, and I would have helped you. And if you couldn't have fought him off, you would have run. You would have found some way to break the rules.
I follow the rules. Nobody can blame me for their cards. Nobody can blame me for winning. You run if you lose. You don't collect what you win. I follow the rules. He follows the rules.
What does all in even mean?
Everything. I'm all in.
I call. I call.
You don't have to. We'll find a way to work this out.
I want to.
I thought the game was over.
Not yet.
I don't lose. Ha! You went all in on one pair? Ha!
Deal the next card.
What is it? What is it?
He's got a flush. He beat you. So, what are you going to do?